At Rehau, our commitment to providing the best window and door systems to our customers begins long before extrusion tooling. During the initial design phase, we examine each required profile to ensure fit and function, and explore water and air management. You're about to see the stringent test protocol we put our entire window and door profile range through. Some of these tests are required by the American Architectural Manufacturers Association, or AAMA. Other tests are to help us determine how we can continually improve our product quality. Let's explore a few of them. First is the weld test, which allows us to monitor weld properties of our uPVC compound. For example, if a customer has a problem achieving a desired weld, we can perform this test to rule out the profile as the culprit. The test is simple. A welded corner is placed in the test cradle, ensuring the top plate makes contact with the exterior corners of the frame or sash. Manual pressure is applied directly to the exterior corner of the welded unit. When properly welded, the downward pressure causes the corner to crack, only after significant pressure has been applied. You just witnessed this test performed on a competitor's casement window product that's widely available throughout Canada and the US. Here, failure occurred when the pressure increased to 1500 psi. When the brake veers off the welded corner and damages the profile, it's considered a good weld. Now we'll test a competitor's profile that has several small details in the exterior surface of the sash. The pressure climbs to 2300 psi before the break occurs to the exterior weld. However, the non-visible interior weld starts to crack at around 2100 psi. While observing the break, you can see it continues through the entire miter cut, making this break suspect. Now take a look at the Rehau System 1400 casement. The first test corner slipped out of the cradle at 2000 psi. We reinserted the corner and started the test again. At 2300 psi and no breakage, we stopped. No breakage at 2300 psi is an excellent weld. Our next test is notched impact. This is a requirement for AAMA lineal certification and is used to determine the pliability or elasticity of the uPVC material. We extract a specimen measuring 80 mm by 15 mm from our profiles, notching it with small V's. We place the sample in the machine with the 15 mm surface facing up. The tested sample should show signs of stretching. This indicates a good molecular bond with good elasticity. A sample showing a sharp breakaway or cracking is considered poor. A weighted pendulum is released and breaks the sample. The resistance in breaking the sample is measured in kilojoules per meter squared. The higher the number achieved, the better the performance of the product. The profile thickness determines the notched impact performance. When you look at the test samples close up, signs of stretching are apparent. There were slight differences in the performance of the 6 competitors' profiles. Rehau's profile exceeds all competition in wall thickness and notched impact factor. Good notched impact performance makes our profiles easier to punch during fabrication and more able to withstand minor bumps and drops as they are transported and installed. Accessory profiles also snap in more easily. Our next test is drop dart. In this AAMA required test, a large metal dart is raised inside of a cylinder and dropped onto a smooth surface of the profile. AAMA requires the test be performed at 85 pounds per inch, but we increase this test to 200 pounds per inch. The cylinder is marked at each level of force. The dart is located in the center of the previously cut section of uPVC. After the dart is raised to the desired force, it's dropped onto the profile. This results in a fairly significant hole. When looking at the hole, we want to see a uniform stretch of the uPVC prior to the surface being pierced. As you can see, not all profiles react the same. Some even fail the test. This test demonstrates how uPVC reacts upon impact and what we can expect from our window and door systems in adverse conditions, such as being hit by windborne debris or an installer's hammer on a cold day. Rehau's profiles consistently surpass the required 85 pounds per inch level, achieving passing results at the 200 pounds per inch level. Rehau takes quality very seriously, devoting time and money to continually improving our products. From in-house profile design to extrusion tooling and profile testing to market and technical support, Rehau truly delivers on our claim of unlimited polymer solutions and is dedicated to providing the best window and door profiles throughout the world.